Okay, y'all, let's talk about one of the most pressing topics for small business owners right now, and that is the BOI reporting. And why is it important for small business owners? Because if you do not get this reporting done by January 1st, 2025, you could face 591 per day in a fine, up to $10,000, and even 2 years in jail. So let's talk about who has to file this actual report and what this actually is, because a lot of people are confused. So one, the BOI started back in 2021 through the Corporate Transparency Act, where it's a money laundering act where now if you have a small business owner and you're registered with your state, meaning you have an LLC, whether it's multi-member, single member, a corporation, and even some trust, then you are required now not to only file with your state, but you have to now file with the federal government as well. And that is called BOI reporting. Now, where do you go to file? You go to file at www.fencing.gov. That's where you're going to do that reporting at. Now, the information that they're asking for is information in reference to your business and any owner of your business, and also anybody who has substantial control over your business, like any senior officers, anybody that can make major decisions, then they will have to be included on this BOI reporting for your business. Now, if your business was filed with your state prior to January 1st, 2024, then your deadline is January 1st, 2025 to get it in. We'll see after that date will they start sending out fines to people or not, but they are saying that you're subject to a $591 fine per day if you do not get this filing in by January 1st, 2025. Now, if you registered your business with the state in 2024 and you have not done the filing, guess what? You were supposed to file your BOI if you register in 2024 within 90 days after you registered your business. Well, so what does that mean? You need to get on fencing.gov immediately and do your BOI filing. Now, the filing is fairly simple. You know, you can do it on your own, but a lot of people don't want to do it on your own. So, of course, people like myself who own tax businesses, lawyers, a lot of other different people in financial platforms, they are providing this service for a fee. So if you don't want to do it on your own, then you can have someone to do it for you. So we are doing it at Expert Tax Service. So if you need it done, drop interested in the comments and we'll reach out to you with the link. Now, what I do want to say is be very, very careful who you give your information to if you decide for somebody else to do it for you. Why? Because I feel like we're back in like the PPP, EIDL area where people are just going to come up with different businesses, try to charge somebody a fee to do it, and then you're not going to know who they are, and then now they have your confidential, sensitive information. So you want to be real careful who you give your information to if you do not do the filing on your own. A lot of people are trying to figure out whether or not they're supposed to file or not. So one question I got today was if they're an independent contractor, do they have to do this BOI filing? And to determine that would depend on if, even though they're an independent contractor, have they registered their business with the state? Because anybody who have registered their business with the state, for the majority of the small business owners, you do have to do a filing. Now, they do have like 23 areas of people who are exempt from doing this filing. And then it was a lawsuit in Alabama. It's one organization, I don't know the name right now, but if you're a part of that organization, then right now you don't have to file it as well. But honestly, for the majority of small business owners, a lot of you do not fall in the exemption category, so you gotta file this form, and you want to go ahead and get it filed, because what I've heard from my research, from me listening to different other webinars on this topic, it is 32 million people who are supposed to file this report and they saying it's only 8% of that 32 million people have actually filed their report. So what does that mean? Everybody's going to be scrambling next month in reference to trying to get this done by January 1st, 2025. So make sure you go ahead and get it done as soon as possible. And before I get off here, let me address another issue that a lot of people are kind of confused about. And that's if you dissolved your business in 2024. If you dissolved your business in 2024, FinCEN is saying that you still have to register your business with the BOI reporting. So it doesn't matter if you dissolve your business, stop running your business in 2024, you still have to file a filing. And also, it doesn't matter if you don't make any money with your LLC. You might not have even claimed your LLC in years on your tax return. It doesn't matter. If you have an LLC, no matter how many businesses it is, because you have to do it for every single business, then you need to file a report, or you have a potential chance of getting fined. And they talking crazy. $591 per day, up to $10,000. That's just insane. So make sure you get it done. And if you don't want to do it on your own, we at Expert Tax Service is offering a service. So inbox us or drop interested in the comments, and we'll reach out to you for the link. Talk to y'all later. Bye.